Hello guys, my name is Parv Yadav and welcome to my channel. My channel name is Digital Marketing Lab. So today I'm going to show you how we can create an article schema. So the website name is where we have to create the schema. The website name is technicalseo.com. This is a very popular website where we can create a schema, and there is also this website can also provide the others tools like the robot.txt tester, st.access tester, sitemap generator, RSS feed, appraisers, fetch and rendering, that kind of other tools. Okay, half lang tester. So now we can start for the schema generator. So this is a website where you guys have to found the schema generator tool. There is a schema generator option, then you guys have to scroll the pages, then you can go to the tool. Okay, so now we can pick one website. For the which website we can gonna to create a article schema. So I have one website on my mind, so I can found the. Okay, we can pick this website. So there is one option for the blog. We can pick any blog. Yeah. So we have one URL for the blog, and there is it's taking some time for the website speed issue. This is a title. Okay. So now we can start. There is a option, so we can click for the article. So there is a 2 to 3 option. So you can there is a 3 option: article, news article, and the blog post. According to you, you can choose this option. For the article and the blog post, it will be the same. Whatever you want, you can choose. The booth tools option are working the same. And if you can talk about the news articles, if you guys are publishing any news kind of articles, okay, so then you have to choose for the news article. So now we can start for the blog posting. So now we have selected, then we require for the we can choose a URL. So this is our blog URL, so we can paste it. Now we can find the headline. So this is a headline. Okay, actually if you can choose a headline. Oh, no, sorry guys, I have copied the wrong. Okay, so this is a headline. Now you guys have to pick one image, blog image URL. For the my case, I can copy this image. So how you guys can find the image URL? So there is an option to you can copy image address. Okay, so we have copied our image address. There is also a other image, so then we can copy it over it. So if you guys, if your blog having a multiple image, then you can add through the image option. Then you have to click for the plus image, and then you guys are able to add another image URL. Okay, so now we can going to copy the short description of the article. So we can copy from the top of the content. This is a and also the option you can guys can copy the website meta description. Okay, now we can choose a type of article. This is a person article. Okay, sorry, we can choose a author type. This is a person who is anyone who is writing the content. So any kind of person or the organization, so we can choose. Then we have to check who is writing. mm, by Kara's group. So the who is writing, the organization can writing. So we can write a name. So the Kara's group. Author URL. So yeah, we have a author URL. You guys can see. I can show you in a next tab. So this is a author URL. We can copy this URL and we can post it in a author URL section. Publisher, who is publisher? The website name is Kara's Group. Publisher logo URL, we can copy the image address logo. Date of published, we can find which date these URL these blogs can publish, the 22 August. So we have to choose the 22 August. Okay, so our article is article schema is successfully we have successfully created. Now we can copy it, then we can going to paste it in a notepad. Okay, once we then we have to going for the validation. We can check this article schema is 100% working or not. Now you have to click for the test code option, test code button. And once you guys can create your article schema, so where you guys have to paste this code on your website source code, website code. So what so you guys have to access your website code for this block code, and the where you have to post this schema, whatever on the footer section, on the top of the bottom section, and the top of the body section, where you guys want, then you can paste it this schema code. No matter where you guys are posting on the top of the bottom of the page or the top of the page, no matter, no there is no any requirement to you guys have to post this schema on the top of the page. So whatever your you guys have a space on our page source code for the code, so you guys have to post your schema. Okay, so while the creating article schema, you guys have to very carefully the fill the author name, author URL, publisher, publishing date, publisher URL, okay, author type, and the other information is the very carefully you guys have to pick this option, fill these options. Okay, so I hope you guys have a little bit clarity about the article schema. This is a article schema and I can show you that everything is working properly fine. And you guys want to check the article schema, which kind of information we are providing. So you guys have to able to access the type of blog post, type web pages ID. This is ID, headline, and the description, whatever is this, everything is working proper fine. So I hope everything it will be going to clear now for you guys. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys have any concern, any doubt, any suggestion for me, so you have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you and the last the my request, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, so please, it's my request, you have to subscribe to my channel. So that's from my side. So thanks for the watching guys. Bye bye, take care.